Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to create a Gmail account without using a phone number. First, navigate to Phone Settings. Scroll down and tap Google. Tap on your current Gmail account. Next, tap Add another account. Tap Create Account. Choose for my personal use. Enter your name, then tap Next. Fill in your basic information, then tap Next. Pick a Gmail address or create your own, then tap Next. Create your password, then tap Next. When you reach the Add Phone Number screen, scroll down and tap Skip. On the Review Account Info page, tap Next. Scroll down through the Privacy and Terms, then tap I agree. And that's it. You've successfully created a new Google account without a phone number. Let's test it by signing in with this account on Chrome Desktop. Many people create multiple Gmail accounts to sign in to free AI websites and take advantage of their limited free features. In this case, we'll try it on Resemble AI, and that's it. We've successfully used this account to sign in on the website. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.